Ole kan rei tawang boka tuntum kan video en tura chuan kumsah ni le som pathum October ninga a junior engineer JE contracta PHE Department hnuaia an lak exam paper general knowledge GK paper big kan endon ani hemi exam a hian technical paper 1 2 te oma amero chu tuntum bikah hian GK paper kan endon ani exam na hmun hi government Aizawl college ania full mark hemi exam paper bikah hian GK paper bikah hianin full mark hi mark somli ania pass mark hi som le panga ani exam section sang panga a oma section 1 bikah hian question som ni chan tur ania question pakhat hian mark som ni mark question pakhat hian mark khat tho puwa ti chuanin mark som ni ani section 1 hian mark som ni puni question number 1 a chuan first Mizo BE tinia Bachelor of Engineering BE Mizo zinga kan nei masak ber chu engineer robula kumsangkha zakwa somruk khan BE pasani puro bula hi Mizo zinga BE masaberani chuan question number 2 a hianin first chief engineer of PHE Department tinia CE chief engineer kan ti kha PHE Department B ka nia athenin engineer robula 1985 ami kha 10 tia athenin engineer dunglena 10 tia emi hi ka chiang chi alawa question number 2 hi ashia chuan comment section lama chief engineer masaber PHE Department chief engineer masaber hi pudung lena nge puro bula kakha adang awmani pon adang kha comment section a kanlo comment don nia question number 2 is question mark da photila number 3 na first Mizo Padmasri Mizo zinga Padmasri dong masaber chu e soihlira ania kumsanga zakwa somriat le pathum khan Padmasri award dongani question number 4 first chief minister of Mizoram state ti kherania Mizoram chief minister state kan ni hnuwa Mizoram chief minister masaber chu pulal denga ania February ni somni kumsang zakwa somriat pasari atanga September ni sari kumsangkha zakwa somkwa pariat kumsangkha zarikwa somriat pariat chungkha ania state kan ni hnuin ani UT Mizoram hi UT Union Territory ani lai chuanin chief minister masaber chu pucho chunga ani UT a siam kan nei masakber chu cho chunga nia state kan ni hnuwa chief minister masaber chu pulal denga ani question number 5 first Mizo IFS Indian Foreign Service tinia IFS Foreign Service Mizo tena kan nei masakber chu pukesi lalvunga kumsangkha zakwa le somruk pahni a IFS pass khania parukna chuan first Mizo female IAS ain tilia Mizo meicha zinga IAS masaber chu PL to chong kumsangkha zakwa somsari le pakwa a IAS khani chuan in question number 7 a hian first Mizo IAS tinia mipale meichia po ni se IAS masaber Mizo wa chuanin lalming liana to chong kumsangkha zakwa somnga le pakhat a khanani hei hi convert antia exam atanga inziak tling shim written exam atanga inziak tling shim IAS masaber chu puzam chonga nampui kumsangkha zakwa somnga le panga inziak tling khania IAS masaber shim hi chu bulal mingliana to chong kumsangkha zakwa le somnga pakhata convert a IAS khani geographical area of Mizoram tinia Mizoram geographical area Mizoram zawzong hi singni sangkhat le somre pakhat square kilometer ani number 9 Mizoram state bird hi Mizoram state bird chu vavu ania Humes bird tail pheasant antini asap tong tak chuanin number 10 Mizoram State Animal chu saza siro kan ti kha nia. Number 11 Engineers Day Khovel puma Engineers Day kan man chu September ni som panga ani. World Water Day som pani na World Water Day ania. World Water Day hi chu March ni som ni pani ani. Som pathum na winner of US Open Men's Single 2013 ania. Sang ni le som pathum US Open Men's Single winner chu Rafael Nadal ani. Number 14 winner of US Open Women's Singles sang ni le som pathuma chuanin Serena Williams ani. Serena Williams ania. Chuanin som pangana year in which first Mizoram Union Territory election was held ania. Mizoram Union Territory UT an ilai election nei masakber kum kha 5th May 1972 ani. Year in which first Mizoram state election was held tinia. State Mizoram state ani hnuaia election in thlanpui kan nei masakber chu 16 February 1987 ani. 1987 February som paruka ani. Som pasari na Prime Minister candidate of BJP for Lok Sabha election 2014 ania. Ai hi Narendra Modi ani pu Modi a tuna kan PM ni mek ni. 18 Secretary General of UNO sangnile som pathum 2013 na khanin Ban Ki-moon ani. US Secretary of State 2013 na hianin Hillary Clinton khani. 20 former CIA and NSA employee who leaked several top secret details of US and British government niya. Answer to Edward Snowden ani hian alo leak out ani. 21 President of Syria chu sangnile som pathuma Bashar al-Assad ani. 22 name the football player whose recent transfer from Real Madrid to Arsenal makes him the most expensive German player of all time. Tinia German player of all time sangnile som pathum unlai vela Real Madrid atanga Arsenal a transfera anshal chu ania. German player zinga manto ber chu Mesut Ozil khani. Mesut Ozil ani. Chuanin section 2 a lut le taila. Section 2 a hian inventors ho ania. Pakhatna chuan cement inventor Portland cement big ania. Cement inventor chu Joseph Aspdin ani. Number 2 na aeroplane inventor chu Wright brothers Wilbur and Orville Tenny. Number 3 telephone inventor chu Alexander Graham Bell ani. Number 4 steam engine inventor chu Thomas Savery ani. Number 5 fountain pen imhuchuak tu inventor chu Petrochi Ponaru ani. Number 6 diesel engine inventor chu Rudolf Diesel ani. Section 3 na lut leila authors kan en vele thungdon ani. Number 1 a chuan As You Like It hemi ziak tu author chu William Shakespeare. Khovela ziak tu ro puiber kan ti mai thin kha William Shakespeare ania. Number 2 na chuan Pride and Prejudice ziak tu chu Jane Austen ani. Number 3 na The Count of Monte Cristo The Count of Monte Cristo ziak tu chu Alexandre Dumas ani. Number 4, Les Miserables. Emi ziak tu chu Victor Hugo ni. Number 5, Alice in Wonderland. Emi ziak tu chu Lewis Carroll ani. Number 6, Midnight's Children. Mi ziak tu chu Salman Rushdie ani. Number 4, section 4 na. Give the full form of any 5 of the following abbreviation and tia. Number 1, FDI, full form 2, Foreign Direct Investment ani. Number 2, ATM, Automated Teller Machine. Number 3, a laser 2, light amplification by simulated emission of radiation ani. Number 4, ISI, Indian Standard Institute tinani. 5, a Reserve Bank of India, RBI. BHP, brake horsepower ani. BHP 2, brake horsepower ani. Chuanin number 5, section 5 atop ber nani ya. Give the names of any of the 5 sobriquets ani ya. Sobriquets omzia chu nickname anyang chu. Number 1 na Eternal City chu Rome kanti kha Eternal City ani ya. Chuanin Holy Land hi Jerusalem. Pink City kanti chu Indira ma Jaipur hi ni ya. Number 4 na Dark Continent chu Africa ani. Sorrow of China chiat na thlen tu chu lui ming pakhat Yellow River anti trinania. Huang Ho anti bokani. Huang Ho hi Sorrow of China anti ni. Tichuanin Land of Thousand Lakes chu Finland ani. Hangsong ka kumsang nile som pathuma JE Junior Engineer Contract Basis PHE Department in unlock question le answer chhanna te an ni